Hi peeps, always good to see you visiting my channel. What you see in front of you is an HP OMEN 17. Have you been searching how to replace the thermal compound and maybe do some dusting and cleaning of the cooling fans as well? Well, look no further because you came to the right video guide. These 4 screws are pretty short, wouldn't you say? Compared to these ones, which are longer. I will start prying it open here at the top, where the hinges are. Progress slowly and patiently. If you get stuck on one side, go and try your luck to the next side. Pretty dusty, I would say. Before I'm going to do any dusting and cleaning, I need to remove this battery. Only 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Easy does it, like so. Cleaned the fans a bit already. Now I need to disconnect these 3 connectors. I will start with the bigger, wider connector first. Then disconnect the 2 fan connectors. Oh boy, a whole bunch of screws on the cooling system, just waiting on you to remove them. Have to get this wire out of the way also. That is why I disconnected this connector in the first place. Whole bunch of screws here, and I hope I won't miss some. Just as a quick reminder, many replacement parts will be listed below in the description box of this video regarding this laptop. Gonna use this as lever, and then upsy daisy, one dusty cooling system. After a bit of dusting and cleaning, I also removed the residual thermal compound from the back of the cooling system by simply using a dry paper towel. This should be enough. Time to put everything back to its place. Now I will tighten these 4. Reconnecting all the 3 connectors. Installing the battery back. That is it, folks. Another do-it-yourself video guide finished. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please click on the little like button below. It would mean the world to me. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. And until we meet again, successful upgrading.